The building and integration of the ships, particularly at the end, is a very complicated effort. It takes a lot of different skill sets. It takes the production team, ship's completion, combat system. Teamwork actually has to increase at the end of the cycle. And I see a lot of that being demonstrated on Ship 1 between now and the end of the year.
There's probably not a day that goes past where we don't learn something new. We most certainly will be carrying all of those successes that we've had, all of the lessons learned through to Ship 2 and Ship 3, and I think we're moving forward extremely well. We're gaining lots and lots of knowledge.
You know, over the last 5 years we've gone from a brand new site. We've got one ship in the water that's heading to sea trials this year, another one launching, and number 3 following soon behind.
Quality is paramount really, so we don't have to rework solutions that we've issued to production, and which would cause delays in schedule and cost increases.
The risk reduction on the air warfare destroyer combat system started back in the design phase. So when we started the design process, we actually looked at the risk of integrating components and made sure that our architecture and our design reduced that risk very early on.
We make sure that the posture of a safe work environment and the work that we do in security really aligns and keeps our people safe, in addition to keeping our project and the rest of the assets safe that we're protecting.
So as we deliver the ships to the Navy, we need to finish up our work under the production contract, production test, quality, sign off on all the paperwork, the test reports. We also have to reach out to the Navy to work with the ship's crew to make sure the crew gets here, gets trained, gets familiar with the ship, and we make a smooth handoff to the crew. There's an enormous handover, and my experience is that when we reach out to our Navy counterparts and make that handover in a cooperative, team-like way, we end up with a much better relationship that lasts much longer.
I think there's a lot of merit of having Navy people stationed here at the Alliance, and we're seeing things that we wouldn't ordinarily see out at Fleet.
What I'll bring to the ship's crew is I'll bring knowledge from the Alliance. What I'm hoping to be able to do is support the rest of the crew during their transition onto these ships. Really pass on the knowledge I've learned here.
This shipyard can be a very competitive shipyard with the rest of the world of the shipyards.
So we need to stop a little bit every once in a while and think about what we're doing longer term. If you look longer term, the ships do deliver a tremendous capability to the Australian Navy that they don't have today. The ships themselves are capable, but they also exist in a cooperative way across the fleet. The intership communication and the fleet integration, cooperative engagement, is a capability that's delivered with this ship. It allows the ships to work together, to work with the Allied forces, and also when the future ships are built and end up having an integrated capability for the Navy.